Hey guys, so a lot of the stuff that we got from the model Roundup, they were all resin kits. So we've got a resin porta potty, a resin time machine, a resin, what one is this? This is the urinal, and then we have a resin brake lathe. This is the simple one. I'm not going to build them all on camera, but kind of wanted to show you the simple. You can find links to all the products that you see in this video, and as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. So you get 3 pieces of resin, and I did use 150 grit, 150 grit sandpaper because it's a resin, so it has a lot of flashing on it. Flashing is that spare plastic that you see everywhere. So after sanding what I needed to sand, I then went over and put some Dawn liquid detergent in because the instructions say clean flashing, which we did, drill any holes we don't need, wash parts in a grease cutting detergent and water, which I did, rinse well, allow to dry, which we have. Most painting should be done prior to assembly. Spray parts with a flat white or a light gray as a primer, and then use super glue for 5 minutes epoxy. I'm actually not following his directions. I'm going to put it together first, and then so I'm just going to put it together first. So we're going to use it like this right there, and then we're going to have this drawer that sticks out at the top like that, which is exactly what it looked like in the drawings. So I'm going to go ahead and just use super glue. You can get, look, this is dollar store super glue. You can get tons of dollar store super glue. So we'll get this, we'll let it dry, then we'll do the paint. All right, guys, here is the finished file cabinet that we did. And so we primered it, but we didn't paint it. We just left the primer. Then I used the silver Sharpie to outline the little squares, and the handles on each, and then I use this craft paint to paint the white there for each of the label drawers. The one drawer comes out, you can make it a top drawer, bottom drawer. I made a top drawer, and then I just cut a sticky note into a bunch of them, and then used Mod Podge paint, put 2 file folders at the top, and filled the drawer with file folders, and then Mod Podged them in. So that is our Speed Shop 1980 Speed Shop diorama. That's going to be out front. That's our file cabinet. Again, this is from modelroundup.com. It's one of the kits that we bought, and it's just pretty cool. So it'll be great for the front office.